Hey guys, it's me, Epicast, again with graphics fantasy. Okay, it's me, Epicast, again, and we're still stuck in this hole. Mischief. Hey puppies. You know, we was like sitting there with his legs, like despicable. Okay, do I have? Yeah. Okay. Not gonna wish out on this, guys. Definitely not gonna wish out. Woo, 16. Okay then. Should we? Oh, jeez. Yep, definitely should go. This is an end. What the fiddlesticks? What's up there? Stupid. I myself lost in another hole. Just randomness. Okay, so. Okay, there. Stupid skeletons. Now we can get this iron. Hopefully. I must die. All you skeletons must die. No. Skeletons are dead. Okay, let's cover this up. Some sand. Oh wait. Yep. Can use clay as a resource. Well, even though it already is a resource. But I know. Okay. Okay, that's all of it? Correct? Yes? No? Maybe so? Did I get 3 or did I get... Okay. Okay, are there any more skeletons? Doesn't look like. But... this is... What? Yeah. Okay. Oh, it's still nighttime? Oh, it's excellent. No skeletons in water. I know. Oh, yeah. I got the final kill. Puppies. Cover up all this water. I don't... Ah! Ah, shoot. Wait. Actually, I needed that. No! Yeah, stupid mouse. Okay, try to do this. Okay, good. Video might be a bit longer than the last one. Die, chicken. Chickens die with 1 hit. Okay. Hopefully that creeper doesn't see me. You don't see nothing, creeper. You don't see nothing. Oh god, it's just a lava pit. That would suck if a skeleton just shot. Oh! Cavern. Okay, definitely don't want to go down there. And I need... Oh, but Jeebus. Ow, 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 ow. Okay. Okay, you make me a little... Oh, God. Oh, God. Oh, God. Oh, God. Spilled. Spilled. Yeah, phew. Okay. Be able... No. See. So... Don't know where he is. Is he over there? Over there? I don't know what to use. God, this is intense. Okay, what are you? Okay, I guess I need some rotten flesh. Nuts. This is intense. Okay. Mr. Skeleton died. Yeah. Yeah, Mr. Skeleton died of heat stroke. All skeletons die of heat stroke, you may say. Oh. Fiddle crack. It's right there. Okay, well he's not gonna bother me if I'm just over here lifting my resources and go the opposite direction that he is. Okay, well now that we got that back, let's see, yes, think. So, there's a cavern, endless death. The pit of death. The pit of death. Okay, I need a furnace, but I need a place. I saw a glimpse. Oh, Jesus, Jesus, Jesus. Oh, that's parkour right there. Oh, Oh, phew. Man, this is so intense when you only have like 3 some or 2 hearts. Okay. Oh, it's lagging really bad. Okay. You just live on that tiny island. Yep, tiny island. Tiny island. Or just like set up little thing and have an underground base. Yeah, that's a good idea. Actually a pretty fine idea. But I might want to build that way. Yeah. Okay. Crafting bench. Engage. Oh, just did 2. Okay, so see, first I'll make my little shack out of wood. No wood. Nutsags. Okay, see. brilliant idea. I should make like a... Yeah, that's a brilliant idea. Pretty much make it like a... Let's see. So, no. So it's 1, 2, 3... No. 1, 2, 3... Well, the inside's only going to be 3. So... Ah! Cooked chicken! Man, I need an apple. Okay, there. I should start regaining health soon. Yep. Okay, so let's see. First should be in mind we don't freaking screw up our house. Or my house. I'll just build ladders. I'm gonna put like 3 things down. Or 4. I need a good amount of cobble. Okay, 14's not gonna cut it at all. Because I need like 16 just for the bottom. I think. 4 plus 4 plus floor plus floor equal. Yeah. Never mind. And I can make my bed as well. So. This can be my little house in the future. Or like. When I find some rails in my house is like a bunch of mobs, I can like build a system that goes like and here. That's actually a very good idea. It's actually a very good idea just to have a little bunker. Okay, need to make it more casual. Then I'll put like glass right here so then I can just, or trap doors. So it's like, pew. Something. I don't know. I'll think of something later. Okay, 38 might cut it. I should know. Still in Steve's skin. Steve! Still in Steve's skin. Okay, so let's see. So... That's too much. Cut off a layer. There, that's better. So then for my center, I can have like my furnace here, crafting table there, chest there, my bed here, and then I can just like make some letters. Okay, first I need a door. Like an iron door. I know. Okay, so.
It takes a little bit longer than an hour to drive.
Okay, just hold.
Not many days, you don't slow down.
Hold up. Okay, well, there's my door. Now I have like a window or something. Oh, by the way, let's try to hit 10 likes on this video. Or actually 5, never mind. 5 to 10 likes on this video. Thank you for your cooperation. Let's see, let's do this. Let's do this the cool way. Do this the cool way. Connect for like stairs. Put like stairs on this edge or something. lock shut. Or what it's accent time. X. And I can have one black there, so then I just go, hello world. Yeah, and then I can have my letters. So, yeah, let's move this. No, my chest should be in the middle. Okay, so let's see. My bed should be over here. That's where my bed's gonna go. Oh yeah, remember all that wool that I found at the beginning? I'm like, whoa, there's a lot of wool, bro. Okay, so there's my bed, crafting table, and then yeah, furnaces, crafting bench, then large chest. There. Okay, but first let's make some. Okay, yeah, we'll make it 6 for the total. Damn, what was it? Oh yeah, chest. Okay, I'm out. Okay. Oh yeah. So my large chest right there, and then because I can just no. Okay, then never mind. My large chest should go like. My large chest can go in the basement. There. There. Problem solved. Put like a trapdoor. Well guys, thanks for watching, and in our next episode, after I do the laundry, I will finish building the house. So I will make sure to subscribe, make sure to like this video so we can reach our goal of 10 to 5 likes. Well, bye guys. Bye guys, make sure to subscribe. Peace out. Recording.